guys, today's video is going to be another Poshmark Q and A. Excuse me. Just figured I'd open it up with some realness. Okay, so this person really wants to know. Caroline's here. Okay. She commented on one of my other videos, and then she just commented on a video that I uploaded today, and I actually had her other question saved to answer, but she really wants to know this, so I'm going to answer her question first. Her question is, what does full-time mean, and how come nobody will answer this question? I mean, for those who are trying to pursue selling online, it's a good question to answer. Are you staying on there 8 hours a day, or are you calling it full-time because you don't do anything else but work on there? I think someone somewhere should break down, I think someone somewhere should break something down if they're claiming to be successful full-time, like a real transparent day in the life of those who are claiming to be successful on Poshmark. Okay, so she wants to know what full-time is. Some people say that they are part-time resellers, other people say that they are full-time resellers. This is what full-time means to me. I am not on there 9 to 5. Like, when most people think of full-time, they think of like, you know, like a 9 to 5 job. That's like full-time, like, you know, 9 to 5, 5 days a week. I am not on Poshmark from 9 to 5. I am on Poshmark every opportunity that I can get. So, you know, I don't have set hours because I stay home with my 3 youngest during the day. I am on Poshmark every chance that I can get. I do plan on doing a day in the life video. I think that would be really cool. I'm basically on there every like spare chance that I get. So like while the kids are eating lunch, or while they're playing nicely, or while they're napping. I'm on Poshmark every opportunity that I can get. Now, if my kids are doing their own thing and I'm not actually on the Poshmark app, then I'm doing something else related to it. So I'm either packaging things up, getting them ready to ship, or I am taking pictures and listing stuff. So like I said, I'm on there every chance that I can get. And I call it full-time because it's like, you know, all day, every day, sporadically. It's, again, it's not 9 to 5, you know, 5 days a week, like a typical full-time. It's literally during the day, every day of the week, sporadically. So yeah, I consider that full-time because I'm on there a lot. No, it's not my only source of income. I also do YouTube videos. My husband works full-time. You know, he has a Poshmark closet too. I have other income streams, you know, like affiliate marketing, sponsorships, stuff like that. So no, I don't call it full-time because it's our only income source. Like, it's definitely not. I just call it full-time because I'm on there literally every spare second that I can get. So I hope that answers your question. Again, that's just speaking for myself. I don't know what other people claim that full-time is, but I mean, that's full-time to me because it's very often. So I hope that answers your question. I wasn't ignoring you. I was saving your question for this video. The other videos that you saw were pre-filmed because I know you had asked a question, and then I think I had made like 2 other videos, or I uploaded 2 other questions and answers videos. So I don't want you to think I was ignoring your question. I definitely wasn't, but I did want to answer your question first. Next, do you delete listings after they sell or keep them on your closet? Okay, so you actually can't delete listings after they sell. They do stay on your closet, like forever. I don't think you can contact Poshmark and be like, hey, can you delete this listing? They stay on your closet. So no, I don't. All right, next question. Okay, so this was a good perspective. I wanted to talk about this. In one of my previous videos, I talked about likes on Instagram, Poshmark, and I said how people treat them as likes on Instagram. To me, likes on Poshmark indicate that you're interested in buying an item. But this person said, I feel like it's us sellers who misunderstand what likes mean, not buyers. It's not... Okay, wait, that's what I said. Or misunderstood. Oh, wait, no, that's not what I said. Okay, hold on. It's not that people think Poshmark is like Instagram, it's that there's no other way to bookmark listings. Please, can we recognize this and stop complaining about it? Okay, so why would they want to bookmark a listing, though? You know, if they're not, like, wouldn't they want to bookmark a listing because they're interested in buying it, not just to go back and look at it? Why would they bookmark it? Like, literally just to go back and look at it? If they bookmark it, that should indicate that they want to buy it, right? Am I missing something here? I don't know. I still stand by my original opinion, you know, saying that, oh, I just sold a bundle, woo! Yeah, I still think likes are an indication that you're buying something, not that you just Like what? Why would they bookmark it and want to go back if they're not gonna buy it? Could somebody explain? I feel like I'm missing something here. So one of my previous videos, I talked about Poshmark jail. Somebody had said that they were in Poshmark jail for following people, and I said I had never heard of that before. But apparently you can only follow 10,000 people a day, and then you're in Poshmark jail for like 24 hours. So I just wanted to throw that out there and let you guys know that you can go to Poshmark jail for following, and it's not following people too quickly like I originally thought. It's like, it's a number. So once you hit 10,000 people in a day, you go to jail. That's a lot of people to follow in a day. I don't think I've ever followed 10,000 people in a day though. All right, next question. How do you organize your closet? Is it random? Do you organize by size, color, brand, etc.? Also, do you think there is a sweet spot for you regarding the number of items in your closet? Okay, so how do I organize my closet? Honestly, I have like my favorite or like most popular items at the top, and then it just goes down to like my least popular items. And every time I share my closet, I try to keep it, well, relatively in that same order. So no, I don't organize by size, color, brand. I used to, like when I first started out, I used to have them organized by like categories. So I had like, you know, like a little listing that said like shirts, and then I would have all the shirts, and then I'd have a listing that said like hoodies, and then I have hoodies, and that just got to be a pain in the ass because you have to share it in like a certain order to keep those, you know, in order. So that got to be too much. And then the other question is, do you think there's a sweet spot for you regarding the number of items in your closet? Okay, so right now I'm under 300 listings. I'm at like well, I just sold a bunch of things. So I'm at like 250 right now. And I thought that that was a low number, but I mean, I just sold a bundle of 5 things. So, you know, I guess it's not too bad after all. The biggest number of active listings I've had at once, I think it was like around 500, and I want to keep it around 500. I mean, honestly, between like 300 and 500, I'm good. I don't know if I could handle more than 500, to be honest, because I don't have a VA right now. I'm doing all the sharing myself, and when you have, you know, like thousands, like there are some people that have like thousands of active listings, and that's a lot of sharing to do, and I just don't have time to devote that much to sharing. So I would say between like 300 and 500 is like my sweet spot. Love the videos, thank you. Question, do you still sell hoodies and jackets during the spring and summer? I do, yes I do. But I am going to be sourcing more like season appropriate things. I'm gonna be having more shirts and dresses and t-shirts coming soon. But yeah, I like to, you know, sell things like everything year round, but I will put more of like the current season. So like in the summertime, I'll have more shorts listed than I'll have in the wintertime, or I'll source more shorts in the summertime than I would in the wintertime, but I won't pass up a good pair of shorts in the wintertime, if that makes sense. Oh my gosh, I gotta show you guys this picture of my little baby lady. So this is my youngest. Look how friggin' cute her face is. Oh my god, she's so perfect. Next question, what's trendy? And how do you share your whole closet at a time? Okay, so are you literally asking like what's trendy right now, or is that like a salutation, like what's trendy? You know, like hey. Okay, I'll answer as if you're asking literally what's trendy right now. So lots of things are. I'm actually gonna do a video, like separate video talking about current trends right now, so look for that soon. This video is already super long because I've just rambled on and on. So I'm gonna touch upon that in a different video. Your other question is, how do you share your whole closet at a time? Unfortunately, you can't share all your listings at once. And people get mad at that, but it makes sense because if everyone was sharing all their listings at once, Poshmark would like explode. Like it would overload the servers. Like that's a lot, you know? I feel like that's why they make it so you can only share one item at a time. The fastest way to share that I found is by going on an iOS device and going on Safari, not going on the Poshmark app, going to Safari and logging into your Poshmark account that way and sharing that way. That's the fastest way that I found. Next question is, I have a stupid question. There's no such thing as a stupid question. There might be like stupid answers, but no such thing as a stupid question. Okay, where can I find the Posh and Sip events in my area? I have looked on the app and I can't find it. I love your videos and how straightforward you are. Thank you. So you have to go on to the Poshmark website. You can't like search for it on the app. I will link the Posh and Sip section of the Poshmark website down below. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below or DM me on Instagram or send me a tweet. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code KeepinItRad and you'll get a $10 credit. I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. What else? Oh, I'm hosting a Posh and Sip. No, not next month. Ooh, I was gonna say next month. We're rushing things, Vanessa. It's in May, and it is in New England. I will have a, premature hand. Link down below. But if you are interested, it's gonna be a lot of fun. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.